Hello everyone, this is Lakshya who loves to explore new things with you. Today we are gonna see about daily routines, tips and fun moments around the campus. Hello sir, good evening.
Good evening.
May you introduce yourself?
I'm Dr. Tej Kumar, head of the Department of Criminology and Forensic Science.
Have you ever been scared to attend a particular class and why?
Yeah, in my 12th, means 11th and 12th, mathematics class.
Okay. Can you elaborate about it and why sir?
Nothing like, I don't understand that formulas and all. I'm new to that one. Okay. That's cos theta, sin theta, all these things like bonds.
Okay sir. Sure, thank you sir. Thank you. Hi, may you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Nishchita and I'm a second year student.
May I know what is your opinion on today's 2026 election?
If it's of elections, then I would like to talk about the West Bengal, a very trending elections that the whole nation is waiting for. I would like that Mamta doesn't come to the force because all the problems that West Bengal is going through is because of her. I hope the next leader who comes into power will make a difference in their education system. It might be in their employment system and other forces also.
Hello ma'am, may you introduce yourself?
Yes, sure, Lakshya. So myself, it's Swapna Gauri Siyas, Assistant Professor, Department of Criminology and Forensic Science. That's it. Working in Acharya for around of 3.5 years.
Ma'am, may I know your opinion on today's Gen Z generation?
Okay, so you need to know about Gen Z generation. Yes. So basically what I feel is they have a lot of creativity, a lot of, plans and ideas. But the problem for them, what I feel is they don't have the patience to listen. They don't have patience to understand the things out because they feel that whatever they decide, that is the final one. There is no anything else that will be seen. So what happens is a lot of wrong decisions are made rather than thinking and understanding that concept and then moving on to it is a different scenario, and suddenly when something is happening, taking action is completely different. So what I feel is they need to understand the concept, whatever it is, whatever may be the scenario, they need to understand that and also think about what and all are the advantages and disadvantages. For this, you need to have the patience. So the patience, if it is very less, then the action will be very worsen, and that is a reason where nowadays youths are getting into a lot of problems. That is the Gen Z worlds are getting into lots of problems. So this is my opinion regarding your question.
Thank you ma'am. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
May you introduce yourself?
I'm Kritika Shenoy.
Okay. So tell me about a moment in your college that made you laugh so much you couldn't stop. What exactly happened?
Roasting my friends, being with friends. When I roast my friends and they try to roast back, but still they only roasted. It's the moment we all laugh together.
Thank you. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
May you introduce yourself?
My name is Atrey Chaudhary.
Okay. Are grades more important than skills? What do you think?
Well, it depends. If you are going for an interview, they'll look at your grades. But if you see in practical life, you'll need experience and skills more than grades. Grades won't give you the life experience and wisdom you require.
Thank you. Let me know what your best memories. Let's stay connected.